Setting the vibration time and display time. Press and hold A into setting mode. Choose prompts. Press and hold A again into prompts setting. Press A, change it to on or off. Press B to set vibration time. Now let's turn on the vibration. Press and hold B back to the homepage. Let's see the vibratio. Now, let's turn off the vibration. See, no vibration now. Turn on the vibrate and set the time. It supports 1 to 15 seconds. Let's try to call it. After 4 seconds, vibration ends. Every time you want into a setting mode, just press and hold A. When you want save and return, just press and hold B. Let's set the display time now. It supports 1 to 60 seconds. Set it 3 seconds. Now, after vibration ends, the calling number will display 3 seconds.